Hi everyone, this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product that's launching today on WarriorPlus at 9 a.m. EST. It's been brought out by Cynthia Benitez. She is an up-and-coming internet marketer. She's actually a student of Jono Armstrong, and the product is called Commission Seeker. This is what the inside of the training looks like. So let me quickly tell you what the method is. As we know, a lot of people talk about getting shout outs on Instagram, where there are people with huge accounts and a lot of interaction, but that a lot of the people that have those big accounts, a lot of them don't know how to monetize it. Well, Cynthia with Commission Seeker, her strategy is to show how to reach out to top YouTube channel owners that are not really monetizing their channel. She shows exactly what sort of channels to approach, how to approach them, and how to get money, how to offer them to run an ad for you, a shout out for you. And she's been having many over $100 day. So here's it's a real product. I've never seen this traffic strategy before. It's really well presented. Let's go over it. There's Commission Seeker. We're in the members area. The first is there's a welcome video, an overview, account setup, so how to set up your YouTube account, the research, how to research which channel owners are worth approaching, the research to the contact, how to contact them, the waiting, the agreement, how to negotiate your shout out, your ad on their channel, the result, conclusion, and it comes with a whole lot of bonuses. Plus there are OTOs, the one-time offers. Let me show you what Cynthia is offering as part of the funnel. She's done all the hard work. So the front end is $7.95, which is amazing. I mean, it's very cheap. $7.95, which shows how to make up to $100 per day with Cynthia's method of how to reach out to YouTube influencers and get your ads and shout outs. That's $7.95. OTO1 Commission Seeker Advanced for all the customers who already have an account on YouTube. I will show them the basic and advanced strategies. So she's got a few more strategies. That's OTO1. OTO2 Commission Seeker Rolodex. I'll give you the customers I'll give your customers the premium resources I use to speed up the process, so they don't have to do all the research and make money a lot faster. OTO3 is Commission Seeker Reseller Routes, where you can sell this whole product and get 100% commission. So to your own product, almost, you get the reseller route, so you get 100% on all the OTOs. And then OTO4 is 1 month coaching with Cynthia, so she'll make sure that you properly implement this. Let's quickly look at the sales page. The sales page is learn how to make 186.83 in a day using an underrated method. So this is a very underrated method. As I said, I haven't seen anyone talk about this, and it makes sense, and the training is good and it's viable. It's proven. You don't need to email this. It's 100% newbie friendly, no experience required, no product creation. Plus she's given a 30-day money back guarantee. There's the product. Commission Seeker. Cynthia was already successful. Jono told me before she joined his program, and you can see she had many over $100 days. There was $133 a day, $152 a day, $168 a day in just 3 simple steps. So she shows exactly. This is the sales page showing. There are also some nice bonuses: how to build an email list quickly, how to start making money online for free, freebie page. So again, that was the insight that I showed you here. There's some they're the bonuses that she talks about. Everything's laid out very nicely. As I said, for the front end is $7.98. I said $7.95. I think it's definitely worth purchasing. It's a new traffic strategy. It's worth opening your mind up and using it, and I think I could definitely use it. I've enjoyed reviewing this. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Below there's a whole lot of bonuses that are going to be available. Whoever purchases through my link, you'll get some very nice bonuses. Obviously, I would encourage you to get the $7.95. That looks really good. If you want this to work quickly, that OTO at $37 looks OTO 2 at $37, where she'll give you the premium resources to speed it up. So if you want to speed up this and get more research done, that looks good. But OTO 4 for a month of training, and she's having these $100 days. It's really $197 is not a lot of money for good training with an up-and-coming star, so you know that you're going to implement this a lot quicker than maybe if you did it on your own. So that is Cynthia's product. I'm very impressed with it. It gets my highest recommendation. Guys, if you're seeing this on YouTube, click on the link or on the page on my website. You'll see a whole lot of bonuses. Please pick this up through my link. It gets my highest recommendation, goes live today at 9 a.m. EST. Thanks for watching my review video. This has been Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa. Wish you the best of luck.